Now I'm just going reports.
Deepak, I enabled that login policies. So after going to customer information page, it will come or not?
You have to go to users page, not customer information. New report. So here you need to choose report types. What is report types? On which objects you are trying to create a report? You need to select report types. Till now we talked about record types. We discussed about records. What is record? The information entry of a customer within an object is called record. What is record type?
Type of that record.
Classify information within the object like sales, service, away. What is report types? Record type, report types. Never confuse. All these sounds equal, but three different functionality. Record is a customer data. Record type is to classify the record. Report type is to generate a reports. These are the report types. What and all you needed? Account, contact information, right? But do we have account contact information here to create a report? You don't have. You don't have a report type. First, we need to create that report type for us. Here you will be having report types. Continue. New custom report. What is primary object? Account. Account with customer informations. Account must have customer information reports. Which category? Accounts and contacts. In development, deploy. In development means only system administrator are able to see, but not all others. Development. Deploy. Next. Now it will ask what is the conditions. Primary object is fine. Now I need to select my child object. What is our child object? Customer information. Each A record must have at least one B record. That's what I am saying. This report I am saying that accounts with customer information. I mean each account should have one customer information. Save. Done. So generally edit layout. What is edit layout in the sense? In account we have 62 fields. In customer information we have 17 fields. You can able to limit the fields which should be available for this type of reports by selecting. This is account fields. Let's say customer information. If I select this one, address, customer information, email, owner, I can say that not needed. Using page, approve, create. All you need to drag and drop, that's it. Once you drag and drop, all these fields will not be available for report. What I will do?
Will not be available or will be available?
Will not be available. What I will do, I will just say reason I am just removing. Okay. Reason I am saving. And you can see there is no field which is available account name. Account name is here, which is not there. So save. What happened? Going above. So now I am just creating a new report. Accounts with.
So why we need report type when we
Intersection reunion.
When you need two or more, then in that case you need if you want only from the account.
For one more, then it is not needed.
And then I think that is not.
Report type is like whether you want to have a intersection or union information. What is union? What is union? We studied so much, right? A union B. What is A union B and A intersection B?
A
union B combine both.
Combines both in the sense here I have 4, here I have a 3. But in these two matching, in these two are same. Totally, what is A union B?
7.
Huh? A union B.
Two matching.
I mean, okay, let's forget about these two. What is A union B?
It has A plus B.
7,
and
7,
common.
7.
7. Here 2 matching. Here A intersection B.
2.
Only two.
Why 2?
Common.
Yeah, common.
So ultimate intersection is this one, union is this one, right? This is what it is showing. A intersection B and A union B. If I have third object, this is intersection. The next one I am saying union. What is union now?
Union of A intersection B.
A intersection B, union C.
See,
And then it has the common of A and plus C object.
This, sorry, not this one.
Yeah.
of course.
But generally, is this correct? A intersection B and union C. This area and this area. This is intersection part of A and B, and this is union part of A intersection B. I am not saying A union B, union C.
Not like that.
A intersection B, union C. This way you can able to classify your reports. If you define this structure well, you will get report properly.
See, but why not A union B union C?
See, this is an example I am telling you. This is what we can create. So till now we don't have only U, and we had intersection now. I mean, account A should contain at least one record in a B. Don't show. This is tabular, right? By default. Let's see summary. On which name I need to combine? Drag. Group by field is account name. And what I need? Deepak Jisan. What is Deepak Jisan?
Font.
How many records we have? That also important. I need to show. Let's say I'm just doing logout from here. Logout. Customer information. Totally how many records we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 records are belongs to Brinton Textiles and one is University of Arizona. 2 records. You got here 2 records? 2 and 1 Jisan? Yes or no? But what happened to the other one?
Not like to.
But do you think that we have only 2 accounts? We have only 2 accounts?
No more.
We have more accounts, right? My requirement is this? No. Even if I have accounts, if they have contact information or not, I need to have my accounts need to be displayed, right? Let's say I'm just saving this report. Let's say
You need to change the record type as
no, save as customer information, save and run report. Every day I need to have a report. Let's say I wanted to know my information report status every day in my email. I don't want to come back to Salesforce. If I want to have the status in my end, every day I need to have, then I need to click subscribe. Now I can see only first time conditions met or second time met every day.
Email.
Email will send for you. Post a charter or send an email notification. Execute customer accepts. You can execute some other actions if you have. Cancel. You can reduce future runs when need to be run. Whenever it runs, you will get an email. All this you can do. Let's forget about. Now what we can do? We have to do another report type which will satisfy that union. Report types. Continue. New custom report type.
A union B not B.
Accounts and customer informations. Whether it now I wanted to say if there or not there, I need to say deploy next. Now I can say
Then only child object will come.
Child objects will.
Means like whoever
Yeah.
having the relationship of.
A may or may not have a related B records. Union. Save. Now all you need to go to reports, new report, custom information, accounts with customer information. This is union. Now you got it, right? Whether you have or not have, it doesn't matter. You got everything? All accounts you got it or not? Run report.
Combining that.
Combine it. Whether you have a record or not record, it doesn't matter. It just puts all record. If it is there, it will display. If it is not there, it won't display. How you got this? By creating a report types. By creating not record types, it's a report type. That's what I mentioned. It's not record type, it's a report type. Be specific. Report type. Without CI to AC. Save. Now I wanted to create a dashboard. Why we need a dashboard?
History reports.
Doing from this one, I don't get a full picture. What dashboards will give a graphical representation for your report information.
Okay.
New. No thanks. All you need to drag and drop button.
It's only for reports, dashboard, or you
It's
can
only
show
for-
anything else.
You have to show. All you need to create a source report first, and then you need to use. So all you need to click here: data sources, reports, my personal photos, customer information. So this way, all you need to drag and drop.
Who will use dashboard?
Then you use the sales users, some those stuff will use. All you need to drag and drop. That's it. You can't do anything with the dashboards. Whatever report you generate, you need to drag and drop. Automatically, the Salesforce will display for you. Save. CI information. Save the dashboard.
So suppose like they want to have the reports of how many records changed today and how many have something, all that can be done through report. Like someone who
Last modified date. How
Like
many
so
records?
basically we can
Last
create a
mod-
report type and then create a report.
Deepak, came on.
Hmm?
This is what.
Just data source, whatever you create, you need to drag and drop. That's it.
So how to create the report type based on a criteria?
No, you can't create. Your criteria mentions you whether if this criteria needed those records with or without, or I need with. This is what you can able to define. Nothing else.
Suppose I want to show the report like of everyday report, whoever status is changed as approved.
Okay.
So whoever has approved status.
For that today.
Then
So all you need to take status should be approved and it should last modified.
where this red criteria I will write status should be approved.
This one, right? Let's say edit, customize, criteria, filter criteria for a report. So let's say cancel. Address equals test.
So I need to create
There is no
report
test
type
report.
of such.
No, there is no test. Now I can able to see. It also checking the address field in the confirmation whether it is there. It is not there, so it will not come.
Deepak, in this page, what you have to do? Next, edit layout.
Huh?
After coming, edit layout.
No, you don't want to choose. If tomorrow if you want to add any field, till now everything you are taken. Tomorrow if you create a new custom field, it will not add it here.
Okay.
So if you want that field, you need to come back and need to add. So now I got it right.
No, it's not dynamic.
Which
It will
one?
not take, if I add new field in that table.
It will not take. You need to add, you need to handle that manually. Here also you can add charts. Directly you can add charts in the report type itself. In the report itself, you can able to add charts.
So here, just we want to see the reports.
Just
Nothing going to play here.
nothing much you can able to do here.
No triggers play here, right?
Huh?
No triggers. Nothing.
Just a customer UI information. All you can display the chart so that they can get this info. But generally, people will never go with Salesforce report. They will go with a third-party services for reporting purpose. History tracking and all this stuff. If I am working with opportunity, I need to work with opportunity history. Salesforce will never allow you to create a reports using histories. I want history tables. They will not allow. There is a issue, and in report you can able to see only 2000 rows. If I have 10 lakhs rows, it will not display for me. So all these have a complications with limitation. So what we'll do, there will be some integration connectors will have third party. We'll connect with that. We'll take back to the Informatica or business analysis, BI, business intelligence. So there will they generate the web analytics reports. They're trying hardly, but they're not able to do currently. Now you can see schedule run. Now I'm just taking running user is this one, right? So daily, weekly, monthly. Let's see. Save on schedule. Please select preferred time on. Where I need to select?
Find available option.
Yeah. So every day by this time it will run. Every day by this time because we already scheduled by this time it will run, and if you want it will send an email to you, or it will just run and it will give you updates. That stuff. Unscheduled report, no need. Now let's say without SSE.
Can send mail for the report. This report can be sent
Daily, if you want, it will send a mail to you. Public groups or users, there is no public groups available. Right. But schedule running users should be only Salesforce users. If you plan to schedule a report to the users, ensure it is in public folder and is shared without intended info. Discard. The same thing, reports like, let's say if it is a matrix, giant report, join we can't create, matrix we can create.
This report makes how can
Temporary summary.
okay, no, that record is not reaching.
What record is not reaching? Do you have a records? Tell me that.
Yeah.
But don't view date range.
Okay, but I chose this.
Okay.
Then Vivek, right? Vivek accounts.
Huh?
Vivek accounts.
That's what you mentioned now.
Okay.
That's what you mentioned, Vivek accounts. Okay, continue. Continue.
Okay.
And then 1 minute, buddy. I think that you have accounts or not, records or not. All time. You will select a date here, that particular date. Otherwise, I will come and drop you.
Bye.
Bye. Are you